Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set time with the second in this device. So on the top left side you can see the time in hour and minute. You can see, right? So I will show you how to set this time with the hour, minute and second in this device. This is very simple. For this, go to settings, then tap on notification and status bar, then tap on status bar. Then here you can see the option time. Tap on this one. Then to show the time in hours, minute and second, you need to select this one, show hours, minute and second. Now I am going to tap on this one. Now you can see the change on the top left side. You can see hour, minute and second. So simply in this way you can enable or you can set the time with second in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.